उसका पूछ के फ़ोन करूँगी मैं। देख तेरे फ़ोन में आ गया। हाय संध्या, हाय सौम्या, हाय पूजा। हाय श्रुति, गुड आफ्टरनून। हाय नेहा, हाय एवरीवन, हाय माधुर्या, हाय स्नेहल, हाय जयश्री। गुड आफ्टरनून। हाय माधुर्या बेबी। वो लाइट ऑन करिए, बंद कर। हाय नेहा दी। इधर से होगा बेटा। हाय शशि रेखा, हेलो एवरीवन। हाय अर्चना जी। हाय संजय। हेलो सविता जी। हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून। We'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll start. 2 more minutes, okay? Am I audible and visible properly? Hello Preeti. Guys, am I audible and visible properly? Hello Shushma, hello Preeti, hello Shruti. Okay, thank you Shruti. Guys, video won't be available after the class, so I just request everybody to attend the entire session. I won't be keeping the video after the session. So please attend the entire class. लगता तेरा फोन दिखाई क्यों नहीं? I am good, Preeti. Thank you so much. How are you? आवाज़ तुमने बंद करी है क्या? स्क्रीनशॉट आ रहा है 30 के ऊपर का तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा है 30 और 30 के ऊपर आ रहा है तो और बीच बीच में जब मैं प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी ना चाहिए. Okay girls, let's start. I think I should not wait for other people to join. It's almost 2:07. Okay, we can start. First of all, I would like to thank everybody who have come live for me and who is there for the live session. Thank you so much for sparing so much of time for us, seeing us live. I know it needs a lot of patience, so thank you so much. Okay, so today's article is we are going to do on this mirror, and last time I have told this ring. I'm going to do a bit of variation in the arrangement and placement, and those who have not seen the technique, I'm going to tell you this article once more time. So let's get started. Hi Poonam ma'am, hi Aparna ji, good afternoon everybody, and please be there for the live session, all of you, because this videos won't be available after the class. Okay, I just wanted to talk a bit about the live session also, but yeah, let me just start, and meanwhile I just want to talk about it. So for the people who are new to my workshop, I am Megha Gindodia. I am Fevicryl certified professional. I am associated with Hobby Ideas, Fevicryl Hobby Ideas from last 11 years. And yeah, I would like to thank, I'm a professional folk artist and the crafter, and I would like to thank the entire Pedalite team for giving us this opportunity to come online and have such a nice session with all of you and getting interacted with all of you. And this is a very good platform for all the team who were somewhere lacking for the bigger platform, and it is definitely for the people, all of you also who are live right now, because these sessions are really free. You don't have to pay anything for the classes. It's just you have to buy Fevicryl material, that's it. And by the time I think there's so many people who have actually attended all my 7, this is my 8th session, so they have actually attended all 8th session, and they know that once you buy Fevicryl product, it lasts for so long. आप बहुत कुछ इससे बना सकते हो और वो बहुत दिन चलता है. So it's not that you have to invest in the same material again and again until and unless for learning the technique we are just invest. It lasts for a longer period of time. So that is one benefit about the product. Hello Swati ji, hello. Okay, and yeah, we teachers, as a teacher, we keep on asking you to buy only Fevicryl product, because guys, this is the only Indian brand. This is the, actually this is the only Indian brand where in this pandemic situation, or everybody is sitting home. Somewhere this art has brought life in everybody's life, because for the classes for which the classes आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा पे करना पड़ता था, आज आप लोगों को कुछ नहीं पे करना. You just have to simply go live on your phone and देखिए और सबमिशंस टाइम पे दीजिए. दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू डू राइट नाउ. हेलो प्रेरणा जी. सो व्हाट इज़ द थिंग, आपको सिर्फ लाइव सेशंस देखना है और सबमिशंस टाइम पे देना है. एंड फेविक्रल इज़ द ओनली इंडियन ब्रांड जो 6-7 months पहले उन्होंने फ्री वर्कशॉप्स अनाउंस्ड किए थे. एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली मी, द थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड ऑफ टीचर्स इन द इंटायर इंडिया हु आर एक्चुअली कंडक्टिंग फ्री क्लासेस. एंड वी आर जस्ट रिक्वेस्टिंग यू कि आप प्लीज़ सिर्फ फेविक्रल का प्रोडक्ट खरीदिए. Understand you might have some other brands too, but please to support us, to support all the teachers, it's just a request कि आप फेविक्रल का प्रोडक्ट खरीदिए. And please give submissions on time. If you're not giving submission on time, हम लोग जो लाइव आते हैं आपको इतना एफर्ट लेके सिखाते हैं, it's completely waste. It's completely waste. So if you're giving submissions after the date is crossed, it's no use for us. See, your learning is done, but for us it's we are not getting anything, because if we give submissions on time only, then only the company will pay us. So हम लोगों को motivate करने के लिए, I just request you, हम लोगों को motivate करने के लिए please give submissions on time. It's just a small request. Okay, so let's start with the article today. I know so many of you are new for the session, and there are so many people who have already attended the session. So please keep little patience who have already attended the session of this ring. So just have little bit of patience. I'm coming up with a little bit new arrangement and tips and tricks. I hope it will be useful for all of you. Am I audible and visible properly? Or my video is stuck? I'm really thankful to the people. I can see around 35 people right now who are live. Seriously, a big thank you to all of you. क्योंकि आप इतना टाइम निकालते हो, यू कम लाइव फॉर अस. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज द OHP शीट. On this I have done a design with my 3D, I have did the design with my permanent marker. I made these flower design. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to cut this first. And don't ask me for the video after the class, because guys, it's really like, it's a free class. So this in the with your scissor you have to cut it. I have traced this design. I have just made this design on my OHP sheet, and then I've cut this design. So once I'm done with the design, I'm going to take my Fevicryl 3D outliner. This is glitter gold. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make the outline for this cutting. जब आप outline कर रहे हो तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि द बाउंड्री शुड बी ऑफ अ गुड हाइट. इट शुड नॉट बी टू थिक एंड नॉट टू थिन ऑल्सो. कुछ लोग ऐसा बनाते हैं, इतना पतला भी नहीं लेना है आपको. इट शुड बी लिटिल हाइटेड. So it should be off little. It might not be visible, the OHP sheet, but once I will just do the outlining, you can see it properly. या कोमल, आप ये रिंग प्लैटर के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. द आर्टिकल आई एम टेलिंग यू इज फॉर टी लाइट राइट नाउ, बट हम लोग उसको रिंग प्लैटर के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इट्स जस्ट कि अभी दिवाली है तो मैं आपको ओके आई जस्ट शो यू इन बोथ द वे. Just have little patience, let me complete it and then I'll just tell you. So in this way you have to do the outlining. Similarly, I did these leaves also, if you can see. I did these leaves, so I'm gonna cut it also and do the coloring. So I just did the coloring for this, but I'm gonna tell you how to do this. So once I'm done with the liner work, I'll let it dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then this is Fevicryl glass color. I'm going to use this Fevicryl glass color. This comes in the pack of 6 colors, 6 shades and 10 shades. I have this 10 shades from which I'm going to use my red color. From which I'm going to use my red color. So before we start with our liner, before we start with our glass color, I would just like to tell you few things. Always clean the nozzle properly. Always remember you need to clean the nozzle properly. And for the liner also, आप जब लाइनर यूज कर रहे हो और अगर लाइनर प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं निकल रहा है, so what you have to do is open this nozzle. You need to open this nozzle and clean this nozzle from inside. Always clean the nozzle from inside and never clean your nozzle from the outside, from the tip. So if you clean the nozzle from inside, it will not get stuck again and again. आपका flow अच्छा रहेगा, आपका काम आराम से होगा. The same way, when you're using your glass color, always remember to clean the nozzle properly with the fabric and never shake your glass color bottle, because glass colors का जो tendency होता है, it creates a lot of bubble, lot of air bubble. So for the fabric colors, for acrylic colors, we ask you to shake the bottle properly before we use it. But for glass color, always remember that you don't have to shake the bottle at all. And always again clean the nozzle. You need to open it from here and always clean your nozzle from inside. So that is one thing you need to remember. Never shake your bottle, and if you can see air bubbles in your bottle, just leave the bottle for 2-3 hours so that the bubbles will settle down and then start with the work. Okay, this is not yet dried, but I'll just tell you how to color. You don't have to press your bottle. Never press your bottle. हम लोग जैसे crayons color करते हैं, you just have to move your crayons the same way you have to move your glass color bottle. And if you're a beginner, अगर आप मेरा कलरिंग देखोगे तो you won't see any bubble. But if you're a beginner, it might happen कि आपके glass color में you'll get a lot of air bubbles. Girls, am I audible and visible properly? I can't see any comment. वीडियो अटक गया है, अटक गया है. Am I audible and visible properly? Because I can't see any comment. Okay, thank you so much, Prerna. So, never press your bottle. आप जैसे crayons color करते थे ना, the same way you just have to move the bottle nozzle. That's it. You just have to move the bottle. And always remember, it's a liquid color, so you should never lift your color, never lift your article until and unless it is. And if you get any air bubble, then what you have to do is take a small pin or toothpick, anything, and just take that bubble in the corners. So this is the way I have done my glass coloring. So I'll just keep it aside. Again, I'll just ask you to let it dry completely for at least 2 hours. So these are my colored flowers. There's so many people, last time they did a lot of mistake. I just want to rectify those mistakes for them. See, this is a very important technique which I am telling you right now. I just want all the flowers in that way. You know what, guys, it's very surprising when I teach you something and I get a very different output. Sometimes I wonder, I have not taught this. How come these kinds of submissions I am getting? So whatever techniques I am telling you, please at least follow that much of techniques for your projects. इसको एक निकाल के दे बेटा, चिपक गए. Okay, so the flower technique is, this is the portion, this is the upper portion where I have done the liner and I have done my glass color, where I have filled my glass color. This is my liner portion and this is my glass color. On this portion I have done nothing. This is the back portion. So what I am going to do is, this is my embossing tool. You just need to put it on the flame like this for a second and press it. So it might be that you don't have these embossing tool. No problem. It's completely fine. You can just have the back portion of your pen or pencil, anything. And then again, this is the liner portion and colored portion. This side I have done nothing. This is the reverse side. So reverse side I am going to put it on flame like this and press it. If it didn't happen, you just need to do it again and press it. And this is a normal foam. I know a lot of people doesn't have embossing pad, so and just don't put it on flame. You need to keep it little up from the flame. And embossed it. So, am I clear? Pallav Pooja, your question is, I could not understand your question. Can you please ask your question one more time? Today I'm going to do a nice arrangement of this. A little different arrangement. A very quick way of making flowers. Am I clear to everybody? Have you understood this embossing technique? Please reply me. Have you understood the technique? See, if you have any doubt, please ask me right now. Because, and yeah, submission for this is tomorrow evening. Now I'm not gonna give more time because okay, thank you so much. So submission for this is again tomorrow, maximum Monday 12 afternoon. I would like to talk about some. See, I'm taking these workshops. I think it's my third week or it's my fourth week. It's my third week, I guess. But you know what, guys? It's really disappointing. Few people after the submission date has crossed. See, if you're giving the submission, that's okay. But after the submission date has crossed, they are asking me a lot of questions. They're asking me, like for the decoupage class only, last mosaic decoupage, they're asking me to send the photograph for videos. I keep on repeating that my videos won't be available. It means strictly it won't be available. And secondly, you must understand that these are not paid classes. These are free classes. So it's very difficult for us also कि हम लोग आपको हर टाइम एक ही चीज़ after a week period of time also I'll just keep on repeating the same thing. It doesn't happen actually in that way. I can see my reflection here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell you a very nice arrangement here. For that I am going to take my glue drop. This is my glue drop. Such an amazing product, I can tell you. I just love it. Pallav Pooja, that is what the tip was. मैंने आपको टिप दिया. The tip was कि आप जब glass color use कर रहे हो, see something that comes with practice also. And secondly कि हम लोग ये मैंने आपको क्लियर टिप्स दिए कि जब आप ये कर रहे हो तो डोंट शेक योर बॉटल. do it very slowly, go very slowly, and if you tends to get a lot of air bubble, then 2 hours. That is the best thing you can do. And then the filling. Okay, so this is glue drop. You have drops of glues here. See, these are drops of glues here. And it's a very nice product. Glue drop is only for 10 rupees and they have 24 units in this. So nothing is cheaper than this. Very safe for your projects and very safe for kids also. I just want to, okay, I just kept it here now. This particular tip of embossing the flower is compulsory for everybody. If you are not submitting with the same technique, I am not going to issue you the certificate for the same. Now, these are my leaves. I'm just putting my leaf here. Again, आपका जो coloring portion है, that you have to keep it upside, and the one which is not colored, you have to keep it on the lower portion. Gently, I'm going to remove this. Yeah, you can base. I have no problem for that. The only thing is that you must use these techniques. See, I'm never specific about the bases because I know at your place might be these bases are not available. So I'm never specific about the bases, but you know what, the technique for the photo frame also, I don't know, somebody has sent me an entire different frame. No personal comment to anybody, but the thing is कि अगर मैं आपको कुछ एक टेक्निक सिखा रही हूँ तो I just want that same technique. It's like so sad कि you guys are just doing something and submitting me something and just expecting me to give you the certificate. It's really bad. Thank you so much, Sonali. Now again I'm taking my 3D outliner, glitter gold. I'm going to just make the center with this. And when you're doing your glass color, always remember, until and unless it is not dried, let it dry at least for 2 hours. Otherwise, आप जब ये heating कर रहे हो, it might be like it can peel off. So you have to keep that much patience. Okay. See. The splatter is ready. See, the flowers are looking so pretty, and this is the embossed effect. No, I have not embossed the leaf because it's like very thin, so I didn't emboss the leaf. I just embossed the flowers in this. So this is your platter. What you can do is, to give the height, आप यहाँ नीचे कुछ see, this is a mirror. मैंने इसके नीचे एक MDF board को stick किया है so that the mirror is very thin. It will get a base. It will get a good thick base, and you can just put some legs here. You know what you can do for the legs? These are my caps of 3D outliner. I'll just tell you one thing. You can have your own set of also. So, but when you're sticking it, always remember to stick it with Fevicol A+ here. So these are the caps. आप कोई भी Fevicol cap भी ले सकते हैं. And then see, you get a nice height like this. This is the height. But don't stick it with Fevicol glue drop. If you want to stick it, then stick it with A+. And then I'll just show you the effect for this. I'm going to remove this stand. Just 1 second, it will be little darker. One minute, guys, excuse me. Isn't it looking so pretty? You can just have this for your Diwali. Wait, I'm going to answer your questions. So this is like, you can use it as your diya platter. Okay. So when this candlelight reflection comes on your platter, it looks very pretty. And somebody asked me for the ring, so you can just have it like this, and it's ready for the ring platter. I can see a lot of questions, just 1 minute. Okay, somebody asked me about the leaves. Sanjana, have you made leaves from OHP too? They looked quite thin. Yes, 1 second, I'll just answer. Name of the artist. Manisha Gulati, I think you have joined late. Have you made leaves from OHP too? It's quite thin. I actually have done it with die cutting machine. I have die cutting machine, so I have done it with die cutting machine. You can just make leaves like this. See, with hand cut you can make like this. Okay. And it's OHP sheet only. Somebody asked me that can we do it with molded? No. This article need to be done with glass color only. So if I'm asking you for the material, please use the same material, use the same technique. अगर मिरर नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, you can have a different ways. See, हम लोगों ने last time ये embroidery ring के ऊपर किया था. A lot of people have actually missed it, so that was the reason that I have taken this class one more time. This I have done on embroidery ring. If you can see, this was the embroidery ring. इसके ऊपर same technique में हमने flower OHP sheet से and I did the embossing, and then I did the coloring and embossing, and here I have got LED light fitting. So it looks very pretty as hanging. Yeah, Pallav Pooja, you can cut OHP sheet in die cutting machine. Do you have die cutting machine? Why not? You can cut everything in your die cutting machine. So this was my ring. So you can take any base. It's not. This was, I think, my article of the 3 weeks back. This I took 3 weeks back. So a lot of people have actually missed that class. So I just thought of why not take that class again on a different base, and Diwali is around the corner. This article is again for the Diwali, and this today we are Diwali festival. I don't have die cutter here. I'm working at home right now. It's in my studio. Why not, Shilpa? Steel plate will do. CD will do. CD will be actually little small for the base. Take a little bigger base. If you don't have mirror, you can just take a thick mount board, and then आप आराम से उस पे कर सकते हो. यू हैव अ बिग शॉट, दैट इज ग्रेट. आपके पास अगर फिजिक्स का बिग शॉट है तो आप आराम से वो HP शीट्स उसमें कटिंग कर सकते हो. यू कैन एक्चुअली कट फैब्रिक ऑल्सो इन दैट. Pallav Pooja, you can cut everything in your die cutting machine, and if you have big shot, I think that is one of the best actually die cutting machine. So it just, you need to have branded dies for that. Now if anybody have any query, you can ask me. And again the same announcement, if you give 5 submissions on time for my live session, free live sessions, you are eligible for one of the paid class for free. 1 second, the angle is going down. And those who have already given me 5 submissions, no worries. 7 submissions again, sorry, 5 submissions, 10 submissions, as much as submissions you're going to give me, you are eligible for that many free classes. So don't stop your work that you have already given 5 submissions. Keep on doing, keep on doing. There's a lot of surprise for you. And I'll be taking a lot of this thing. I just forgot. You have any picture of ring platter? You can check on my page, that is Krishna Creations. That is my FB page. Krishna Creations Art Studio and Activity Center. You can just go on that page and check my other creations also. Who are not taking seriously my classes, the only thing I would like to tell is these are free classes. You don't have to pay anything. Sorry guys, please don't take it personally, because I know यहाँ पे जो भी लोग हैं वो बहुत genuine people हैं, but I just want a bit of support from all of you, because there are people जो classes attend ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, और वो मुझे like today I have told you this, and they'll ask me after tomorrow is the last day for the submission. So now they're gonna ask me on next Friday, Saturday about the same article, and it's really disheartening. See, I just want to convey them कि if you are not attending my free live session, no worries. If you still have a lot of query, I will answer all your query till today midnight 12 o'clock. So if you have any query till that time, I'm gonna answer you. But if still you have any query and you're not attending my session, please, you are most welcome for my paid class. I'm gonna answer all your query at least 100 times. I don't mind sitting with you live and doing the article one by one also. I really don't mind. I know it's little rude, but you know what, it's really disheartening. I know it's really rude from my side, but seriously it's really disheartening, because people doesn't watch the live session and then they keep on asking for the video. They say that they have network issues, this, that. I understand you might have network issue, but I'm still keeping the video till evening. I don't understand, अचानक से network issue का problem solve हो जाता है. So if you genuinely want to do my classes, please be live and give submissions on time. If you're giving submissions on time, see, again, it's a perk for you only. If you're giving submission on time, I have already announced 5 submissions. अगर आपने मान लो मेरे आगे के 7 classes नहीं attend kiye, if you have missed that, if you are a beginner, if you have started today only, if it's your first session, I'm going to take the session again and again and again. So what you have to do is, आपका जो भी date है उससे आगे आप 5 articles आप submit करिए. Anyways, I'm going to take those classes after Diwali only, and I promise I'm going to teach you something which you'll just love it. I know very little, but whatever I know, I'm sure I'm gonna teach you something which will be very new to you. And yeah, obviously again I'm going to give the priority to the people to choose the courses who have given me the maximum submissions. Thank you so much. Okay, Sonali, a quick recap I'll give you. This is my OHP sheet. So on this OHP sheet, what I did is, if somebody is not comfortable in English, you can ask me. I know English and Hindi both. I can tell you in Hindi also. If for my class somebody is not okay with English, you can ask me. I'm going to explain you the same in Hindi also. So this is the OHP sheet. What I have done is, I just made designs with my marker pen, red marker pen, on my OHP sheet, and then I did the outline for this with 3D outliner, glitter gold. So when you're doing the outlining, always remember, I'll just show you one more time. So you need to cut it first. After cutting, what you have to do is do the outline for this flower. In just 1 minute. So when you're doing the outlining, the outliner should not be very thick, nor it should be very thick. Now see, the nozzle is stuck. So what I'm gonna do is, don't clean it from here. Sonali, you just create your own design, and there's so many templates available on Google. So आप वो flower designs वहाँ से भी ले सकते हो. It's not specific that you need to have the same design, or you can just have a screenshot for this. So this is my 3D outlining thing, and then I just need to fill it with glass color. So when you're doing it with glass color, always remember that you don't need to shake your bottle, and it's so clean. So don't shake your bottle of the glass color. If you are finding a lot of bubble in your glass color bottle, then what is the thing? You just need to keep it, just leave it for around 2 hours and then start with your work, and then color it with the glass color. And once you are done, you need to emboss it. Embossing, I've already told you. Today actually for the live session I did around 15 flowers for the embossing. So once I have done the embossing, and then I can't help it, you can just create your own flowers. This is a very simple flower. See, 4 petal flowers. You can find a lot of templates also on Google for this, the same. Thank you so much. I hope you liked today's session, and if you have any query, please ask me today itself. I'll be happy to solve all your queries. And strictly, I'm not going to entertain the people who are coming after submission date and asking for any question or submissions. Thank you so much, Soumya. Thank you so much, Soumya. Okay, now if you have any query, you can ask me. I'll be happy to solve. And if you have any query, please ask me today itself. Sonali, I think you have not attended my session. See, these are free sessions. So if you are really interested, please attend the session. I just आज तो मैंने कुछ राउंड 16 flowers किए हैं embossing. I know today I am being a little rude to the people, but seriously guys, it's really disheartening. Yes, I've already mentioned that you have to do the embossing at least 2 hours after the color is completely dried. I know today I'm little strict and little rude to the people, but I'm really sorry. It's really disheartening that we are taking so much of effort and we are not getting submissions. We are not getting... See, I'm coming live. If I'm not getting paid from the company, there's no point. सो द थिंग इज कि आप ना तो सबमिशंस टाइम पे देते हो, ना ही you attend the live session. After the date has crossed, you are asking me for the technique again, for the papers again, for the printouts again. I'm really sorry for that. So again, this is my final article. Thank you so much, Aarti. Thank you so much. Can you just have a screenshot for this? Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a nice day. Keep creating. Bye bye.